Also with us is Liza Soberano.
Ako, Tita Chris.
And tama ang pronunciation ko, di ba?
Yes,
Liza.
Liza.
Pero it's like Liza Minnelli.
Yes po.
Okay, but you lived in the States, tama ba?
Yes, I was born and raised there. Tapos, nung 10 po ako, I moved here to the Philippines.
Oh, okay. Are you half American?
Yes po, half American.
Sino yung American?
Yung mommy ko po.
Okay, but why did you move back to the Philippines?
Bali po kasi nung bata pa lang po ako, naghiwalay po yung parents ko.
Oh.
So, my dad came back here. Tapos, I grew up with my grandma and grandpa since naghiwalay po yung
Grandma and grandpa, mommy side or daddy side?
daddy side po.
Tapos?
And then, gusto ko pong matry na magstay dito sa Philippines with my dad. So, pumunta po ako dito.
Okay, do you still communicate with your mom?
Opo, yes. I talk to her through Facebook. Tapos, minsan po nag-uusap kami sa phone.
Does she have a new family?
Yes po. She's happily married.
Oh, pero ako, kung ganyan kaganda anak ko, my God.
Ang ganda, di
Oo.
ba?
Iha-handcuff ko sarili ko sa'yo.
Oo.
How old are you?
15 po.
Ay, talagang bandayan
Oo,
forever.
ng bonggang-bongga.
Oo. Also with us, ikaw.
Yes po.
How young were you when you started working?
13 years old po. When I started here po sa ABS.
Oh, wow. And did you used to model for catalogs or you
Yes,
still
I-
model until now?
As of now, wala pa po. But I used to model for Natasha Catalog.
Oh, okay. So so ito, you wanted this.
Yes po.
Sinabi mo talaga, I want to be an actress.
Nung una po, mahihayin po kasi talaga ako. So,
Ikaw? Parang hindi. Oh.
Hindi, nung una po talaga, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na umaarte or na magiging artista ako. But before pa, gusto ko maging model. And then, when I started modeling, my tita asked me if I wanted to try to be an artist. And then yun.
Wow. Kalil, parang sumula from Be Careful. Every Sunday nasa ASAP kayo.
Yes, every Sunday nasa ASAP po.
Oh, inaanak, when you come back, ha?